My name is Christian. I am a university student. On my last vacation, I traveled to Ica with my family. I stay at home most of that time and I playing soccer with my friends. I also spent time with my family and it was a relaxed vacation. I didn't travel a lot, but I used my free time because I could rest and play soccer. In Ica is visit some place with my family and we ate delicious food. I took some photos and it says that one where it was a same but fun vacation and felt very happy because I have time to relax where is university again. This semester I am going to study systems university. I am going to take my classes and organize my time bed. I'm also going to study here because I want to have pass all my course and have good grades. I'm going to make more university and makes later I am going to travel to on place.